Green Lion's Foldable Hair Dryer. A portable hair dryer you can easily travel with. This hair dryer uses a powerful motor ranging between 1600 to 2000 watts. You can set it at 2 different speeds. The design of this product is truly unique. There are 2 filters on the hair intake, so rest assured. The type of the air output doesn't damage your hair and it has cold air button. You can also attach a concentrated nozzle for more professional use. A product you definitely need. Ask it from Green Lion.